As engineers, we know that it can be difficult to streamline communication across your teams and other stakeholders, which is why we're bringing new collaboration capabilities to New Relic. Let's see how it works. Here we're looking at a dashboard. I noticed some recent spikes that look concerning, and I want to ask our dev team to take a look. In the global nav, there's a new add comment icon available to users that have signed up to preview this functionality. This is available throughout New Relic. For instance, we could start a discussion on logs or an incident. Clicking on the icon opens the comment panel on the right side of the screen. Like most collaboration tools, I can mention my teammates, and because the question is tied to the dashboard, I don't need to spend time explaining what they can see at a glance in the data. Grabbing and sharing a screenshot is quick and easy and eliminates the need to save files to computer and have to upload them somewhere else later. If your team generally uses the same Slack channel, it's just a click to share to the last used channel, but you can choose any channel in your workspace and submit. Let's think about what we just did. In about 15 seconds, I asked a question on Slack, which included a permalink and a screenshot, all without leaving New Relic. Because we had mentioned our teammate, they'll get an email notification when there are new comments. The comments are included in the email, along with screenshots and a link back to the conversation on New Relic. You can also reply to an email notification to add a comment to the thread. Let's check out Slack. Similar to the email notification, we've got the comment, of course, along with the screenshot and link back to New Relic. But unlike most Slack integrations, this is not just an alert or notification. This is a complete bidirectional sync that brings replies to the thread on Slack into New Relic. It is important to keep in mind that this sync of replies back to New Relic works for every teammate, even those that aren't New Relic users. Back on New Relic, the reply from Slack is added to the discussion. Note the small indicator that it was from Slack. The bidirectional sync is excellent because it allows regular users of New Relic to have simple communication with other teammates, regardless of their familiarity and access to New Relic, and also because it captures the whole discussion in New Relic, even if most of it occurred in Slack, in context with the data. If we close the comment panel, you note that the add comment icon now has a green dot letting any teammate that's viewing this dashboard know this is an active discussion. Even if the conversation is closed, there's also an indicator, now a gray dot, that there's history, saved knowledge on this page. In addition to the global navigation indicator showing that there's institutional knowledge on the page being viewed, there's another way to access this knowledge. See the new discussions link in the left navigation. The indicator lets you know how many discussions that you're personally following have unread messages. Those unread messages are highlighted in bold on the table, as well as having both the blue unread indicator and the bell indicator, letting you know that it's a discussion that you're following. Besides highlighting recent activity, this table shows all the discussions from your organization, and over time, it'll become a tremendous resource for finding answers to questions that may have been previously answered, and how issues, similar to one you may be working on today, were resolved in the past. With New Relic, you can bring in data from any digital source so that you can fully understand your system and how to improve it. And now with discussions and collaboration, in context and within a platform, we make it easier than ever for every engineer to make decisions with data, not opinions. To sign up and preview these features, visit discussions on the left navigation, and please see our docs for more information.